Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a very little game with HTML5 and JavaScript. So let's begin by creating some markup for our HTML file. We'll add a canvas tag with ID canvas, and we'll also connect our script.js file to JavaScript. Let's add a little styles to our canvas element. We are going to put outline with 1 pixel solid in order to make the canvas visible. Let's check that out. Here you go. Okay, next we will need to get our canvas element by ID, and we will set dimensions to 600 by 600. We will get the context out of the canvas. We're going to get the context 2D, and let's create a function which will return a random value between two integers, and we will create an array with cells. We'll have an array of colors. We'll put red, green and blue over there. Let's create our player, and it will have radius of 20 and also color Dodger blue, so it can be any different from the rest of the objects on the screen. Okay, now let's loop 20 times, and we will push each time an object to our cells array, and it's gonna have random x starting from the 0 point till the canvas width, and we'll have the same for y starting from 0 to canvas height, and it's gonna be absolutely random. And color is going to be also a random color, red, green or blue. So let's create the function that will draw our objects. First we take our object and we take the color out of it, and we put context fill style color. Let's create the circle itself. For that we'll need to begin path, then we will draw the circle. We'll put the x and y of the object. We will do either the radius of the object if it exists, otherwise we'll put 5 instead, and we'll put the starting angle to 0 and the ending angle to 2 times mod pi. So let's fill and stroke it and close the path. Okay, now we will need to create the main loop. This is gonna be the main loop of our game, and let's create a clear rect function, and it will clear any drawing that was there before. So if we need to call the loop many times, and I believe we will need to call it many times, we will need to clear whatever was there right before our drawing, so we don't draw on the top of what already existed. So we will draw our player, and we will look through our cells object array, and we will draw every single cell from there. And let's call our loop function and check out what we got. Here you go. We can restart many times, and we can see that the cells are spawning randomly, but our circle is always at 200 by 200 pixels on the screen. So I think that was all for today, and in the next video we are going to add a possibility for our player to move and consume those cells, and I will see you in the next video. I highly appreciate your support. Thank you.